Hello, good people. I think you know by now that Ukrainians love food. The majority of us can cook and do it pretty well. And in general, Ukrainian cuisine is quite delicious. An average Ukrainian has more ingredients, more food in their pantries and fridges than you actually need. I think it's also part of our genetic code. Have something in store, just in case. Now you see what I mean? The answer why it is happening is in our bitter genetic memory. The truth is that Ukrainians were starved to death twice in the newest history of humanity. One time it happened in winter 1932-1933, and this horrible event is recognized widely in the world as a Holodomor, genocide of Ukrainian nation. Second occasion, second smaller famine, which affected mostly villages, happened in winter 1946-1947. That's why we are very specific and we perceive it very painfully if food is wasted. So today's recipe is about how to waste less food. It's very good for any nation, for any country.